Hello students, today we are going to solve question from GATE 2016 from the Engineering Mathematics subject on a topic complex integration. I will read out the question for you. The value of closed integration 3z minus 5 whole divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2 dz along a closed path C is equal to 4 pi I, where z is equal to x plus iy. I means root over minus 1. The correct path C is, the options are circle enclosing the x coordinates 1 and 2, B, circle enclosing the x coordinate 1, C, circle enclosing the x coordinate 2, and D, circle enclosing none of the x coordinates, that is neither 1 nor 2. So this was the question. We are going to solve this on the board. So here is the solution. So here we are going to use residue theorem from complex integration. What does residue theorem says? It says that when a function fz, so here we are going to use residue theorem from the complex integration chapter. What does the residue theorem says? It says that the integration of an analytic function fz enclosed in a closed curve C is given by 2 pi I into sum of the residues at the singular points. Let us see. So this is what is asked, where fz is, I have written here, that is equal to 2 pi I into sum of the residues at singular points. So first of all, we need to determine what are the singular points here. The function as we can see here, from the function, the denominator will give undefined answer for z is equal to 1 and z is equal to 2. So these are my singular points. Now we will calculate the residues for each of the singular points, do the integration, and then see if it is coming equal to 4 pi I or not. So let us see that. So this was my function. Now calculating residue for z is equal to 1. Residue and z is equal to 1, it is equal to limit z tending to 1, z minus the value at which I am finding the residue, here it is 1, into the function. Function is 3z minus 5 by so we need to find the limit of this function. Z minus 1 cancel out, and then we can put z is equal to 1 in this function. Let me do this for you. On putting 1 in this function, it will give (3 minus 1). So the value of the residue for z is equal to 1 gives me 2. Now let us do the same for another singular point, that was at z is equal to 2. So we will follow the same steps as we did previously. That is z minus the point at which we are going to find the residue into the function itself. We can cancel out z minus 2. We can put the value z is equal to 2 in this function directly, as it will give the answer, and that comes out to be (1). So we did find the residue at z is equal to 1 and z equal to 2. Now, according to the theorem, residue theorem, we will add both the residues multiplied by 2 pi I, and that will give us the final value of the integration which we desire to find. So here we are. Integration is equal to closed curve fz dz, this was our question, is equal to 2 pi I into residue for z is equal to 1 plus residue at z is equal to 2. So 2 pi I into the residue at z equal to 1 was 2 plus the residue at z equal to 2 was 1. It will come out to be 6 pi I. Now, in the question it is given that the integration answer was 4 pi I. It is coming out to be 6 pi I. So what could be the twist here? The twist is, when we will calculate the integration at individual residue values. Then let us see. Now when I take the residue of z is equal to 1 only, it will give me 2 pi I into 2, that is 4 pi I. But when I will take the combined residues of 1 and 2, it will come out to be 6 pi I, or even if I take the individual value of z equal to 2, it will not come 4 pi I. So since it is known to us that the answer of integration is 4 pi I and it is coming only by taking the residue at z equal to 1, so the contour or the closed curve C will be the one which is surrounding the x coordinate 1. From the options, you can see that among the 4 circles drawn surrounding the x coordinates, only option B matches with our answer, which is the circle enclosing only 1 and not 2, and it is giving me the answer 4 pi I. So I'm trying to deduce from, I'm trying to see what comes out to be 4 pi I, and not directly in exam you in hurry you can make mistake taking 1 and 2. You will mark the option A which is enclosing 1 and 2. You should not do that, because you need to match your answer with the answer given in the question. So our answer is B, which is the circle covering the the coordinate 1. Thank you, students.